What's up, guys? So I am taking back my decision to change my upload schedule. I am going to continue doing daily videos scheduled at 2 p.m., at least my time. I don't know what time that is for you, but my videos are going to continue to be uploaded at the same time every day. And I was thinking about doing videos less often, and I was still going to record just as much, but really what was happening is I was feeling insecure, and I was scared. When ultimately, okay, I make the best videos when I'm in a good, enthusiastic, cheerful mood. But I'm not always like that, so sometimes it's hard to be that way all the time in my videos, right? And so I can work around that by making a bunch of videos when I feel that way, and then make it look like I do daily videos, but really I do my videos in batches and then just schedule them each day. And I was starting to feel kind of scared and thinking that, I just found that I was just not recording stuff. Like I would sit down to, and then I just would feel that it was so terrible it wasn't even worth doing, which is absurd, like really, especially based on the mentality I have. Like I make bad videos sometimes, but it's all part of a process of getting better and becoming more articulate and more talented, kind of as fast as possible, getting all of that experience and acting upon it on a regular basis, right? And so I wanted to do videos less often because then I felt like, I don't know, maybe ultimately I was scared. And the thing is, the best thing for me, separate of YouTube and everything, is that when I'm in that kind of mood where I'm doubting myself and I'm insecure, I just do the work anyway. I think a lot of success in life is, it's more about just ignoring your head. And your head is just kind of designed to stop you from doing things. And you learn to get good at just doing it anyway, kind of regardless. You learn what the work is that's going to change your life, and then you do it no matter what you think afterwards. Once you've realized that that work is going to bring, whether it's money or information or whatever it is, the changes that you need most in your life right now, that work is going to bring it to you. Once you realize that, it doesn't matter how you feel about it anymore. You just got to keep working on that. And I'm trying to this message is kind of to myself right now because it's kind of obscene. Like a year ago, I didn't even have a YouTube channel. And I was working as a barista at a coffee store, and I was doing stuff on the side, but it was always like, oh, Jack's crazy. Like, I don't know, things are different now, and it hasn't really all kicked in. And in a way, my head still thinks that I'm struggling, even though I'm not struggling anymore. And I think it's just gonna take a while, like a couple months, maybe a year, to me get used to things and just, be able to be like, all right, I now run a YouTube channel. What can I do with this? How can I make this better? How can I make this more professional? How can I, scale this? How can I, I'm always gonna stay in touch with the fact that this is a channel about my life. And while it's true I do a lot of dropshipping videos now, that's because I do a lot of dropshipping stuff. I'm going to change my content as I change in my life, because I don't want to end up in a situation where I don't want to make videos anymore. Like I always want to make videos about the stuff that I'm interested in, because making videos about what I'm interested in is just really fun, and I learn faster, and other people can watch it. It's like hanging out with people. It's so much more fulfilling, right? But there's going to be a point where I'm not going to want to do that about dropshipping. And if I make my channel about dropshipping, then I'm guaranteeing that I'm going to get to a point where I just don't want to make videos all the time anymore. And it's not that I want to stop dropshipping or anything. It's just that, like, okay, for a long time, I've done videos about every idea and everything that I think about and anything that I think could possibly be useful to even one person. And that's been my focus and my obsession. And I kind of have to take a step back and not make videos about everything that I'm doing so that I can earn more money, because I'm sharing all of these ideas, and instead of working with them and making money off of them, I'm just focusing on putting them out there and then getting on to the next piece of information so that other people can get inspired and figure their stuff out. But I got to focus on making some money for myself, So that's kind of why I'm a bit hesitant to commit to doing dropshipping videos all the time, because I don't want this to become a dropshipping channel. And one of the reasons I don't share numbers so much is because I hate the fact that if you have a big dollar number on a piece of paper or on a picture, that you can show that to people and then they will listen to you. I hate that. I want people who are curious and interested in what I have to say regardless to that, right? And it just, I don't know, I just try and avoid that kind of scene. But anyway, I will continue doing daily videos, and I am not going to decrease the frequency of my uploads. All right, guys, I will see you next time. Ciao.